Hi creative friends, Marjolaine here with Gel Press and Faith Impressions. Today I'll be doing a page in my Bible and a matching page in my 100 Days of Less Hustle, More Jesus. And I'll be making 3 bookmarks as well. For my Bible page, I'm using the border plate from the Faith Impression kit. And I'm applying some distressed ink directly on the plate. And then I use the economy brayer just to blend it all together. And after that, I use the overlapping circles Impressable, and I just lay it down and just apply a little bit of pressure. And since I don't want to waste any of the ink, I'm just gonna put it on the just over top of the words. It doesn't cover the words, it just adds a really nice design. I'm just taking the border plate and pressing it down to the journaling part of my Bible to add a really nice design to the side there. And to add some color to the corner of the page, I'm going to do the same process with the heart. So I think this is positively the easiest way to add a gorgeous background to any page. Next, I'm going to repeat the process in my book. And I'll be using the 5x7 gel press plate. And I'll be using the same colors. I want everything to match today. So here I'm using the mini distress ink pad, which is square, and I'm just applying it randomly on the edge of the border plate. It gives the page a really nice funky border. Have I mentioned how obsessed I am with the overlapping circle impressables? I think I could do an entire book with it. And now I'm going to make some matching bookmarks to go with my book and my Bible journaling entry. So there's a bit of a bonus at the end of this video. I recorded the whole video with no problems. I was excited. I was about to edit the video. And then I realized that I had apparently not pressed the start button to record. And so I very quickly went ahead and repeated all of it on different pages. And when I went to edit it, the first video mysteriously appeared. So I ended up doing 2 pages in my book, 2 pages in my Bible, and a total of 6 bookmarks. I hope you like them. As you can see, I forgot to use the brayer on that last one, so I have little squares all over my bookmark, but that's okay. And here I'm just showing you a practice piece that I did. I just think it's so gorgeous, I think I want to frame it. I so wish it was a big piece so that I can actually make it art on my wall. Now I'm going to use all the demi plates to add some designs to each bookmark. And then I'm going to have some fun doodling on all of them. So I really like the look of some loose, funky doodles, but the old perfectionist in me really struggles with that, and I always kind of start out trying to make everything straight and right, and then I remember that I like the messy look. So you see me here struggling a little, just going back and forth, trying to be messy on purpose. For doodling, it just doesn't come naturally unless I'm just doing it on white paper. When I'm doing it on a project that I could ruin, then I get a little more nervous. So this page is based on Psalm 28:7 that says, "The Lord is my strength and my shield, my heart trusts in him, and he helps me." And for my Bible journaling page, I did James 1:12 that says, "God blesses those who patiently endure testing and temptation. Afterward, they will receive the crown of life that God has promised to those who love him." Endure is not exactly my favorite word, and I admit that my journaling on this page was a bit of a rant to God, but he tells us to be honest with him, so I did. I was honest with him. And now this page will serve as a great reminder for me to endure patiently, because I know this won't last forever. I was going to add ribbon to my bookmarks, but instead I decided to cut up some pieces of some prints that I already had made, and I'm going to kind of do a pretend ribbon. For a finishing touch, I added some paint splatters with some watered down acrylic paint. And here are my bonus pages. For the book, I did Psalm 31:15, my future is in his hands, or my future is in your hands. And then my Bible journaling entry is Jeremiah 29:11. I alone know the plans I have for you, plans to bring you prosperity and not disaster, plans to bring about the future you hope for. And I thought that in his hands for his plans had a nice ring to it. So I was happy to do more matching pages. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and will click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Gel Press channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.